You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Tommy Robinson, the far-right activist whose real name is Stephen Yaxley Lennon, has appeared in a London court to face trial after being charged with failing to provide the PIN for his mobile phone to police. The 42-year-old arrived at Westminster Magistrates Court on Monday, flanked by bodyguards, and met by a crowd of photographers and a handful of supporters cheering him on. Wearing a waistcoat and tie, Robinson sat in the glass-fronted dock, waiting for proceedings to begin. The charges relate to an incident that took place on July 28, 2024, at the Channel Tunnel in Folkestone. Robinson was stopped by police under Schedule 7 of the Terrorism Act, which allows officers to detain anyone passing through a UK port if they are suspected to be involved in terrorism. Under this law, the individual can be held for up to 6 hours and is legally required to answer questions and provide access to passwords or PINs for electronic devices. Failure to comply constitutes a criminal offense. According to court reports, when police requested Robinson's phone PIN due to concerns over his demeanor, he allegedly replied, "Not a chance, bruv." At the time, he was traveling in a silver Bentley and reportedly had €13,000 in cash with him, claiming he was on his way to Benidorm. Robinson told officers that his phone contained journalistic material, which he implied should remain private. As a result of his refusal, Robinson was formally charged with willfully failing to comply with a duty imposed under Schedule 7 to the Terrorism Act 2000. If found guilty, he could face a prison sentence of up to 3 months or a fine of £2,500. This is not the first time Robinson has faced legal scrutiny. His past actions and activism, particularly during his leadership of the English Defence League, that is, EDL, have frequently put him in the public eye and drawn criticism from authorities. Today, however, all attention was focused on the court proceedings, with Robinson acknowledging supporters with a wink as he entered the building. The trial is ongoing, and updates are expected as the case progresses. For now, the central issue remains whether Robinson's refusal to provide his phone PIN constitutes a criminal offense under the Terrorism Act, a question that could have significant implications for how Schedule 7 powers are enforced in the future. Stay subscribed for more videos.